37-year-old Sydney Kosa was found guilty of murder, negligence and deliberate abuse of his daughter, as well as common assault under the Domestic Violence Act by Judge President Petrus Damasip end of last month. Ikosa's former wife, 38-year-old Chuma Simakwezi, was found guilty of abuse and deliberate negligence of her 2-year-old stepdaughter. In mitigation, Ikosa pleaded with the court to be lenient in sentencing him because he is a father of 3 children whom he is taking care of. His lawyer, Patrine Hango, pleaded for a 19-year imprisonment for murder while proposing a fine for assault, negligence and abuse of the child, as well as common assault that she asked to run concurrently with the murder sentence. Simakwezi, the stepmother of the deceased toddler, Joy Ikosa, asked the court to be lenient in sentencing her because she has a medical condition and that she is 7 months pregnant. Ikosa and Simakwezi have 3 children together. Advocate Johan Pinar for the state demanded for a 20-year imprisonment for murder and 5 years for negligence and abuse of the child to run concurrently with the murder conviction. Pinar asked the court to sentence Simakwezi to a fine of $20,000 or 5 years imprisonment. Judge President Petrus Damasip is concerned that if both parents are sent to prison, the 3 children's well-being will be affected. Hence, all other options need to be exhausted to strike the balance between the crime committed, public interest, and the accused's personal circumstances. Little Joy died on the 13th of June 2020 at the Katima Mulilo State Hospital following head injuries she sustained at the hands of her father after he assaulted her. Joy's stepmother, Chima Simakwezi, was washing her clothes, leaving the responsibility to the father, who was a police officer then, to perform such responsibilities when he knocks off from work. The neighbors witnessed how the child was neglected and abused by her parents and was diagnosed with malnutrition in March 2020. But despite the advice from the health officials from her diet to be increased, nothing was done, resulting in the post-mortem report also indicating that she was malnourished.